Hi, friends. I'm so happy to see you. Do you know what we're going to do today? That's right. We're going to celebrate Easter. How did you guess? Oh, of course, my bunny ears. They're so cute, aren't they? Oh, let me show you. Today, we're going to make a craft together. We're going to make this cute little bunny. Oh, also, before I forget, we're going to have a special guest visit us. Let me give you some hints and see if you can figure out who the special guest is today. Our guest is white and pink, has a cute little nose and whiskers, a fluffy white tail, loves to hop, has long pointy ears, and best of all, loves to eat chocolate. Can you guess who our guest is? Think about it, and later on, after we're done our craft, we can see if you guessed right. Okay, let's do the craft. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, are you ready to make our cute little bunny craft? You can find all of these things at home. First, I have a toilet paper tube. But you know what? If you don't have a toilet paper tube, you could even use a paper towel tube and cut it. That would work too. We have glue, scissors. Make sure that you have an adult to help you with the scissors because they might be a little bit sharp. And I have a black marker and a pink marker. You can use any color that you like. Whatever is your favorite is okay. I also have some cotton for our bunny's tail. Look how cute. And the last thing that we need is paper. Okay, let's begin. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make 2 pointy ears. I'll draw them and then I'll show you the shape. 1, 2. Okay, here are my 2 ears. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to color in a little bit of pink on the ears, just like this. And like I said before, you can use any color that you like. Okay. Here are my 2 ears. The next thing that we're going to do is cut out our ears. Remember to be careful with your scissors. One. 2. Here are my 2 ears. I'm just going to put them off to the side while we make our bunny's feet. So we're going to make 2 oval shapes, and then look, there are 3 oval shapes inside. One, 2. Okay, here are my 2 oval shapes, and I'm going to put the pink inside, just like on my other bunny. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ovals and a big oval, just like this. And I'm going to do the same for the other foot. 1, 2, 3 ovals, 3 small ovals, and 1 bigger one. Okay, here are my bunny's feet. Next, we need to cut out our feet. I think that the rabbit's feet are very, very cute. And they're big, and I think that helps them hop. Okay, so we have one. I'm gonna put it off to the side. And 2. Okay, so I've got my feet and my ears. So next, I'm going to take my paper towel tube or my toilet paper tube, and I'm going to get my glue, and I'm going to put glue on the back, just a little bit at the top, like this, and then I can stick my ears on there. 1, oh, there's my other ear. 2. See, they are at the back of the paper towel or the toilet paper tube. Okay, next we are going to put on our 2 feet. Now, these might seem a little bit tricky because they need to go on the front. So I'm going to put glue on the bottom, on the front of my bunny. And then I'm going to put the feet, and I'm going to kind of angle them off to the side a little bit. Okay, 1. 2. There we go. All right, what should we do next? Let's do our face and our bunny's little hands. Okay. So we're gonna do 2 eyes. 1, 2. There are my 2 eyes. Next, I'm gonna take my pink marker again because I want my bunny to have a pink nose. See? There's a little pink nose. And then I'm going to take my black marker again and make a little mouth, and we need whiskers. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 whiskers on both sides. And if it's going a little bit fast for you, you can pause the video and you can work through it slowly. There's my bunny's face. We still need 2 hands or the bunny's paws. 1, 2. There we go. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot our tail. So I've got a little bit of cotton. So this, we need a lot of glue on the back. And we're gonna put it at the bottom. And, oops, stick it on. Just stick the little ball back there. There we go, look at the tail. How cute is that? Oh, I love making these bunnies. I think they're adorable. Okay, are you ready to find out who our special guest is? Okay, I can't wait to show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Are you ready to meet my special guest? Have you guessed who it is? How about I give you one more hint? Do you know what this is? Yes, it's a carrot. And my special guest loves to eat carrots. Can you guess who it is? Oh my goodness. Oh, well, my special guest is the Easter Bunny. Hi, Easter Bunny.
Hi, Katie.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you. I was just telling my friends at home that you love to eat carrots.
Oh boy, I love carrots.
Oh, what have you got there?
I've got an Easter basket for you because it's Easter Easter.
Oh, for me? Thank you. And you know what? I have a little gift for you too. A carrot.
Wow, I love carrots. Oh boy.
Oh,
Oh boy.
Easter Bunny, can you stick around for a little bit?
Oh, I can't. I better be hip hippity hopping on my way.
Okay, I understand. It's a really busy time of year for you, right?
Right, it's Easter.
Okay, well, can you say bye-bye to my friends at home?
Bye-bye, friends at home. Well, see you later.
Bye-bye, Easter Bunny.
Bye.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Do you want to look inside my Easter basket? I'm so excited. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. This is to hold Easter eggs. Sounds like there's something inside. Wow, a little pink egg. Oh my goodness. There's more. Another pink one. Oh, it has chocolate inside of it too. Oh, look. 1, 2. 2 yellow eggs. They have chocolate in them too. Okay. My favorite color, purple. 2 purple eggs. Wow, the Easter Bunny brought me 6 eggs. And all 6 eggs have chocolate inside. Oh, that's exciting. Look it. Do you know what these are? They're stickers. Wow, these stickers are so beautiful. They all look like Easter eggs. Oh, I love stickers. What else is in here? Look at this. It's a chocolate bunny. I'm going to share this with Muggsy. She loves chocolate and she loves chocolate bunnies. There's some toys in here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look, it's a yellow bunny and it's got some bells and they move. How cute is that? It's a notebook and it looks like a rainbow. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put so many colorful drawings inside of my rainbow notebook. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. Look, it's a little baby chick. There's something on the side. Oh, I can wind it up. Do you think it moves? Let's give it a try. Oh, wow, that's so cute. Oh, the Easter Bunny spoiled me. He got me so many great Easter gifts. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow, did you have fun meeting the Easter Bunny today and looking inside of my Easter basket? Oh, and I almost forgot. Remember? We made these 2 cute little bunnies. Oh, I had so much fun today. I hope that you had fun too. I can't wait to see you again. Happy Easter!